Don't we all love vacationing? Some people's ideal vacation may be the mountains, somewhere tropical, or maybe somewhere like Niagara Falls. One place people don't really vacation to a lot is Belize. It is right next to Mexico and Costa Rica, and they share the same Caribbean waters. Belize has a lot of tourist attractions, which some are common, some aren't, and I'm about to name some of these for y'all. Of course, we all know what snorkeling is, and scuba diving is really popular in Belize because of the waters, and they're super clear, and you can see all the aquatic life. But excuse me. Um, In Belize, you can find over 500 different types of marine life, which is really amazing. That's so vast. You can see so many different kinds of coral, fish, sponges. It's amazing. And that's something I would personally love to do. But another super duper common tourist attraction is ziplining. If you were to go ziplining in Belize, you could see, um, excuse me, different caves and villages and rainforests, and maybe even see some of the wildlife that is in the rainforest while ziplining. Um, Next is birding. That's a super duper popular one in Belize because, again, they are also home to over 500 different species of birds. And there's even this place called the Hummingbird Highway because you drive through and there's like it's just covered in hummingbirds. A quick fact about that is male hummingbirds, and most of the time male birds are a lot prettier than the female birds. But besides that, a common bird that you can see in Belize is the toucan. It is a black bird and it has like a yellow, orange, and green beak. Um, Also, one more thing that is popular in Belize is canoeing. Most people canoe into the caves or they will swim in the caves, which seems a little scary to me because a lot of people see bats and that would freak me out. But yeah. Um but that's all super interesting. But to me what's more interesting is the culture. Obviously it's a different place and it's gonna differ from the culture we are. But the Mayan culture has very strange beliefs, like compared to us. Um, One of them is no planting on your menstrual cycle or when you're pregnant. Don't know why. They think it is a curse. But another one is never cut wood on a full moon. They are very strict about their rules on the moon cycle and stuff like that. Also, another one that goes around the moon is you cannot plant 3 days before or after the full moon. They also believe in very strong, like super duper strong manners, and one of the most rude things to them is if you were to reply to something they said by saying what, they think it's very disrespectful. But what's stuck out to me the most about their culture is their food. The biggest food staple is iguana. They also eat lots of cabbage, plantains, okra, and onions, and which sounds it's not super different, but I definitely have never had iguana. I'd be open to it. I do love plantains, so I would definitely eat that and try that out. But everything I've heard from all the websites I've visited, especially Belize Living, has told me that the Mayans, which is the culture there, they're very respectful and it's an amazing place to visit. So if I were y'all, that'd be the next place I would vacation to.